Hello, I'm back, and this is the first part of my YouTube Shorts series explaining the different subfactors of the Cattell-Horn-Carroll or CHC model of intelligence, which is the most statistically and scientifically backed model of intelligence. In the CHC model, there is the general level, or the general factor of intelligence. Let's call it a full-scale IQ, because that's what a full-scale IQ measures. Then there's broad factors, which each correlate with the G factor, but are separate things, like fluid intelligence, working memory, and crystallized or learned knowledge, long-term memory, etc. There's a lot of those, and I'll cover them in a minute. Then there are narrow abilities. Each of these are part of a broad ability, and they show or their how you perform at a specific kind of task. So your inductive reasoning, or your ability to fill in information from a data set or notice a pattern, is part of fluid intelligence. But your vocabulary is part of comprehensive knowledge. And your ability to rotate shapes is part of your visual spatial. So now, what are these broad abilities? There is, let's go in order of what's usually listed. There's fluid intelligence, then working memory. Those two are in certain models classified as vulnerable abilities. Then there is your perceptual abilities, so your ability to take in new information and filter it properly and process it correctly. Then there's visual spatial intelligence. Then there's comprehensive knowledge, area-specific knowledge, quantitative knowledge or quantitative skills. Then general reading and writing. Those are your crystallized abilities. That's most of them. There's also some that those are the ones that are usually tested. There's also GLR, or general learning, or GL, sorry, general learning efficiency. There's also emotional intelligence, kind of weird, not usually measured, and it's kind of unclear if it's actually an effective part of the CHC model. Then after general emotional intelligence, there is GS, or general processing speed, GT, or general reaction speed. They're both processing speeds, but one is your ability to process information and do simple cognitive tasks quickly. The other one is just the speed at which you're able to transfer, like, ability, your speed at which you react to a stimulus. Those are most of them. Thank you. Have a lovely day.